If it's time to change your filter, it's really pretty easy. The best way to do it is to at least have 2 filters. One clean one ready to go in for when you pull out the old one. First you got to turn off the power. Then you pull out the screen on the top very slowly. You don't want to do this fast or else you'll knock off a lot of the crud that's already on the filter. And then very slowly pull out the dirty filter. You might see some loose stuff in there you might want to pick out. Then you just take the clean filter and put down in there and you push that filter into place. Then you put your screen back on top and then turn the power back on, and then you're ready to go. Now with the new filter in place, we can take the dirty filter and clean it out with the water hose. And I found the best way is to use a tight stream, the tightest stream possible on the water hose. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to let this filter dry out when it's dirty. Because if this were to dry out with it still dirty, that dried up dirt and grass and everything else would be embedded in the filter, and you most likely would never get that out of there. So the best way to clean out this filter is to shoot down into the filter and going back and forth. And you want to get between all these pleats, starting at the top and working your way down. So if you have cottonwood trees or a lot of dandelion seed in the air, you get this into the filter, and that fluff from the seeds can get embedded into the filter fibers, and it doesn't come out with the water hose. So you have to pick that out manually if you want to, or if it gets to be too bad, just replace the filter. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.